There's a special kind of magic that happens the moment your tires leave the comfort of smooth pavement behind. Suddenly, you're not just driving, you're venturing into the wild unknown, where every turn brings a new surprise. The familiar world of painted lines, traffic lights, and city noise fades away, replaced by the crunch of gravel, the scent of earth, and the call of untamed wilderness. This is where real adventure begins, where only a special breed of vehicle and driver dares to call it home. Off-road vehicles are true feats of engineering, built to crawl over massive boulders, wade confidently through rivers, and climb impossibly steep hills that would stop ordinary cars in their tracks. Every part, from the knobby, aggressive tires to the advanced four-wheel drive systems and reinforced chassis, is designed and tested for the toughest challenges nature can throw at them. Behind the wheel, you're not just driving, you're solving real-world puzzles, reading the land, and engaging with the terrain in a way few experiences can offer. You feel every bump, every shift, and every victory as you connect with the machine beneath you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of off-road legends, from unstoppable SUVs to rugged pickups and nimble ATVs, each with its own story and strengths. We'll explore what makes each one special, how they conquer the toughest obstacles, and what sets them apart from the rest. And we'll discover why these machines inspire such fierce loyalty and passion among adventurers everywhere. So buckle up, because where the road ends, the real fun, freedom, and adventure truly begin. When you think of vehicles that can go anywhere, three legends stand out: the Toyota Land Cruiser, Jeep Wrangler, and Land Rover Defender. These icons have earned their reputations in the harshest environments on Earth. Unlike modern SUVs that have softened, these three stick to their roots with body-on-frame construction and rugged durability. Advanced four-wheel drive systems, locking differentials, and impressive ground clearance set them apart. Each brings something unique: the Land Cruiser's reliability, the Wrangler's open-air fun, and the Defender's blend of tech and toughness. In the next scenes, we'll break down what makes each one a true off-road king. This is where we separate the pretenders from the legends. If you had to pick just one vehicle to reach the ends of the earth, to cross deserts, mountains, and jungles, it's the Toyota Land Cruiser. This is the machine that adventurers and explorers trust when the road disappears and the journey gets tough. For over 70 years, it's been the go-to for explorers, aid workers, and even scientists in the world's harshest, most unforgiving places. From the burning sands of the Sahara to the icy trails of Siberia, the Land Cruiser has proven itself time and again. Its secret? Over-engineering, massive ladder frame, robust engines, and a focus on durability above all else. Every component is designed to withstand punishment, from the thick steel underbody to the legendary reliability of its powertrain. The kinetic dynamic suspension system lets it flex off-road, crawling over rocks and ruts, then stabilize on pavement for a surprisingly smooth ride back to civilization. Inside, it's comfortable but built to last, with chunky controls and materials that shrug off abuse. Every switch, knob, and seat is made to endure years of hard use, whether you're in the city or deep in the wild. The Land Cruiser isn't cheap or fuel efficient, but you're buying peace of mind and proven reliability. It's an investment in safety, and the confidence that you'll get home no matter what. That's why it's trusted by the UN, global organizations, and countless humanitarian missions. When lives are on the line, they choose the Land Cruiser. It's more than an SUV. It's a survival tool, a lifeline, and a legend in its own right. In many places, it's the only vehicle people trust to get them through. When failure isn't an option, the Land Cruiser is king. It leads the way where others fear to follow. It's earned its crown the hard way, through decades of adventure, challenge, and absolute dependability. The Jeep Wrangler is America's off-road icon, tracing its roots all the way back to the legendary WW Willys MB. Born from a need for rugged reliability and go-anywhere capability, the Wrangler has become a symbol of freedom and adventure for generations of drivers. The Rubicon model stands out as the ultimate trail machine. Factory equipped with heavy-duty front and rear locking differentials, disconnecting sway bars, and a rock-crawling 4x4 system. These features make it ready to tackle the toughest terrain right off the lot. No modifications required. Its modular design is a hallmark of the Wrangler experience. You can remove the doors, take off the roof, and even fold down the windshield, transforming your Jeep for a true open-air adventure. This flexibility lets you connect with nature in a way few vehicles can offer. No other vehicle on the market offers this unique level of freedom and connection to the outdoors, making every drive an immersive experience. On the road, the Wrangler is less refined than most SUVs, but that's part of its undeniable charm. Wrangler owners crave adventure, not just a quiet commute. They want to feel every bump and splash along the way. The solid front axle means unbeatable articulation off-road, allowing the Wrangler to conquer obstacles that would stop other vehicles in their tracks. While it can be a bit bumpy on pavement, that's a small price to pay for true off-road prowess. The Wrangler Rubicon isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's your ticket to a passionate community of fellow adventurers, where friendships are forged on the trail and stories are shared around the campfire. For pure, unfiltered off-road fun, nothing beats the Wrangler Rubicon. It's built to handle the wildest trails and the most challenging conditions, inspiring confidence in every driver. It's the most capable American off-roader you can buy straight from the showroom, ready for adventure the moment you turn the key. The Wrangler is more than just a vehicle. It's freedom on four wheels, inviting you to explore, discover, and live life without limits. The Land Rover Defender was once a simple, rugged box on wheels. Now it's a technological marvel. The new Defender swaps old-school construction for a stiff aluminum unibody and independent air suspension, raising eyebrows but boosting capability. Its air suspension delivers huge ground clearance and water fording, while Terrain Response 2 tech automatically adapts to any surface. Inside, it's both tough and comfortable, with exposed structural elements and modern conveniences. The Defender balances premium feel with true off-road grit, making it a daily driver and a trail conqueror. It proves you don't need solid axles for world-class off-roading. Smart engineering and electronics do the job. The new Defender is the thinking person's off-roader, blending tradition with innovation. It's a worthy successor to a legendary name. Sometimes you need to haul gear, not just people. And that's where pickup trucks shine. Their open cargo beds handle muddy, heavy, or oversized loads with ease, making them the ultimate workhorses. Body-on-frame construction and heavy-duty components mean they can take a beating, tow, and carry massive payloads. Modern off-road trucks combine classic toughness with advanced suspension, powerful engines, and smart four-wheel drive tech. That's why they're trusted by farmers, construction crews, and adventurers worldwide. Two icons stand out, the indestructible Toyota Hilux and the high-speed Ford Ranger Raptor. Let's see what makes each a king in its own right. The Toyota Hilux is legendary for one thing: indestructibility. It's the truck of choice in war zones, expeditions, and the world's toughest environments. Top Gear tried to destroy one. Drowned, crashed, burned, and it still ran. The Hilux's ladder frame and leaf spring suspension are brutally strong, built for hard work, not comfort. Diesel engines run on questionable fuel, and the interior is all function. No frills, just durability. It's a workspace for muddy boots, designed to last decades. Choosing a Hilux means prioritizing reliability over luxury or tech. It's the truck for those whose lives depend on their vehicle starting every time. For slow, steady, unstoppable progress, nothing beats the Hilux. It's a global icon of toughness. The Ford Ranger Raptor is built for speed. Think Baja racing, not slow crawling. It's a re-engineered performance truck with a unique frame, wide track, and long-travel Fox suspension that soaks up jumps and high-speed bumps. A twin-turbo V6, reinforced chassis, and Baja drive mode make it a desert runner straight from the factory. Every detail is about high-performance off-road thrills, from beadlock wheels to magnesium paddle shifters. Where others crawl, the Raptor flies, encouraging you to push harder and go faster. It's not for heavy hauling or tight trails, but for blasting across open terrain, it's unmatched. The Ranger Raptor is a four-wheel drive rally car for the wild. It's pure off-road adrenaline. Sometimes even the toughest truck is too big for the adventure you want. Enter ATVs and UTVs, small, agile, and built purely for fun. ATVs are like off-road go-karts. You straddle them, steer with handlebars, and use your body to balance, making every ride active and thrilling. They dart through tight trails and deliver raw, solo excitement. UTVs, or side-by-sides, add a steering wheel, pedals, and seats for two or more, protected by a roll cage. Models like the Polaris RZR are mini off-road buggies with long travel suspension and serious power. They combine ATV agility with stability and safety, perfect for sharing the adventure. High-performance versions are all about fun, with power-to-weight ratios and suspension tech rivaling full-size trucks. For pure, high-speed trail thrills, nothing beats a modern sport UTV. They're the ultimate off-road toys. We've explored off-road legends, from the Land Cruiser's reliability to the Wrangler's freedom and the Defender's tech. Pickup trucks like the Hilux and Ranger Raptor offer indestructibility or high-speed thrills, each a champion in its own right. And for pure fun, ATVs and UTVs deliver unmatched agility and excitement. There's no single best off-roader. Your adventure decides the right machine. Planning a global expedition? The Land Cruiser awaits. Want to conquer rock trails with the wind in your hair? Go Wrangler. Dream of flying across desert dunes? The Raptor is ready. Which champion would you choose for your adventure? Let us know in the comments.